Let's go to page 364. Let's start with number 1. So you got 2x minus 1 over x plus 4. So the excluded value would be x cannot equal to negative 4. Because when x equal to negative 4, we make a denominator equal to 0, and that's not defined. Okay, number 2, we have 7x plus 2 over 3x. So in this case, x cannot equal to 0. Okay. Okay, number 3, x minus 1 over x squared minus 3x minus 10. So first you have to factor these. Okay, so you can go and so it'd be x so it'd be minus 5 plus 2. So use your step 4 master product. So in this case, x cannot equal to 5 or negative 2. Okay, number 4, you have negative 2 over 5 equal to negative 2 over question mark. So you can just do the matching. So question mark is equal to 5. Okay. Okay, number 5, you have 5 over 2 minus x equal to negative 5 over question mark. Okay, so 5 match with the 5, and so then what you do is, so you can move this negative over here. So when you use negative, you can use a switch the subtraction term. So question mark is going to equal to x minus 2. So again, you can use the negative to switch the subtraction. Okay, number 6. Yeah, 2 over a minus b equal to question mark over b minus a. Okay. So notice you got b minus a and a minus b, right? When you match that, you have to put a negative, okay? Because they are opposite of each other. And so question mark is equal to negative 2. Okay? Oh wait, there's a negative over here. Back up. Okay, so copy the problem. Okay, go back. So there's a negative over here. So I missed that when I copied the problem. So negative can use to switch the subtraction. So negative of this is equal to that, so match it up. So question mark will equal to positive 2. Okay, there we go. Okay, number 7. Okay, this one you want to reduce, so you got 4x cubed y over 2xy squared. Okay, so the 4 and 2 can cancel out, so you get 1 and 2. So write 2 over here. The x and x squared can cancel out, so you get x squared. The y, you got y and y squared, so you get y on the bottom. So again, if you write things down as you go, it cut down on mistakes. Okay, number 8, you got 2 plus 4m over 2. So as soon as you see addition, subtraction, those are terms. So you cannot cancel out the terms. Do not ever cancel out terms. So what you need to do is you need to go and factor the 2. Be 1 plus 2m over 2. And the 2, now you can go and cancel out the 2. Okay. So it would be 1 plus 2m. Okay, number 9. You have a squared minus 4 over a plus 2. So again, whenever you see addition, subtraction, you have to think about factoring. So this is the difference of square. So factor into a plus 2, a minus 2 over a plus 2. And the a plus 2 will cancel out. So your final answer would be a minus 2. Okay. Okay, number 10, you have x plus 3 over x squared minus x minus 12. So you got to factor before you can cancel anything out. As soon as you see addition, subtraction, think about factoring. So use your master product. So step 1, step 2, so this is step 4. So it'd be x minus 4, x plus 3. Okay, so x plus 3 cancel out. So your answer would be 1 over x minus 4. Okay, number 11. Okay, you have x squared minus 2xy plus y squared over y squared minus x squared. So you factor everything. So the bottom one is the difference of squares, so factor into y plus x, y minus x. On the top, use your master product, okay, or actually this is step 2b, so it'd be x plus or x minus is a minus. So it'd be x minus y, okay. It's a perfect square, but instead of writing the square because I'm ready to cancel things out, so I write it out twice. Okay, then after that, okay, you have y minus x, you got x minus y, so you can cancel it out and you're going to get -1. Okay, when you cancel out, they are opposite of each other, okay, they are reversed, so you get -1. So -1 is used to switch the subtraction, so -1 of that would be y minus x. On the bottom is y plus x. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 12. You have a minus b over ax plus ay minus bx minus by. Okay, so let's go ahead and so you have to factor the bottom. So ax plus ay plus negative bx minus by. So on the bottom you can factor the a, so you got x plus y. Over here that's a negative, so you have to factor the negative b, so it'd be x plus y. Okay, I can check, right? So negative b times x give you negative bx, negative times y give you negative by, right? Okay, then you go and factor the x plus y after that, so you're going to get a minus b. Okay, then now you can go and cancel these things out. So you got 1 over x plus y. Okay, 13. So this one, okay, so you want to perform the operation. So you got 7 over z minus 2 over z. So whenever you add or subtract fraction, first you have to do is you have to check, make sure a common denominator. So in this case, yes, you have a common denominator, so you can go and add or subtract. So 7 minus 2 is 5, so it will be 5 over z. Okay, 14. Okay, you have, so now, because it's a fraction, so I'm going to write as 5 over 1. Okay, minus 3 over 2x. Okay, so right now you don't have common denominator, so you have to get your LCD. Okay, so your LCD is 2x, so I'm going to put 2x and 2x. I can get your common denominator ready before you do anything. So from here to here, you need to multiply by 2x, okay? So I will end up with 10x on the top. This one you don't have to do anything, so leave the same. So you're going to end up with 10x minus 3 over 2x. Okay? And this one you cannot factor or reduce, so that's it. Okay, okay, let's go to number 15. Okay, you have 3x over x plus 1 minus 2x minus 1 over x plus 1. Okay, now see this one over here, again, first you do is check common denominator. So this one you have a common denominator, so that's kind of nice. So you can just put all this together, and you have to be careful with subtraction. So you're going to get 3x minus 2x minus negative 1 become plus 1. Okay, so watch out for this one over here. This is where most of the people will make mistakes right over here. Okay, so you combine the like terms, you're going to get x plus 1 over x plus 1, and so this will equal to 1. Okay. Okay, number 16. Okay, you have negative 5a squared over 3b. Now it's a division, so I'm going to change into multiplication, and I'm going to take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay, so now let's go ahead and cancel things out. So 5 and 10 can cancel into 1 and 2, and 3 and 9 can cancel into 1 and 3. Okay, so I'm going to write down the number while it's still fresh on my mind, so it'd be negative 3 over 2. Okay, that takes us a number. Now let's do the alphabet. Okay, a and a squared, when you cancel, you're going to get, this will cancel with that, so you're going to get a. Okay. And you have the b and b squared, so cancel out. You're going to end up with a b. Okay, and that's it. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 17. Okay, you have 3x plus 6 over 6 multiplied by 2x squared over 4x plus 8. Okay, so first again, as soon as you see addition subtractions, you've got to factor. Okay, so on the top you can factor the 3, so it'd be x plus 2. On the bottom you can factor the 4, so it'd be x plus 2. Okay, again, as soon as you see addition subtraction, make sure you factor. Okay, then after that, you can go ahead and try to cancel things out. So 3 and 6 you can cancel into 1 and 2, and the 2 and 2 can cancel out. So you're going to get 1 over 4. Okay, so that takes as a number. Then the alphabet, okay, you got x squared, that's nothing to cancel. So you're going to get x squared on the top. So 1x squared would be just x squared, right? Don't write the 1 in front. So again, you do the number, you do the alphabet, then you do the group. So x plus 2 cancel with x plus 2. And that's it for number 17. Okay, number 18. Okay, you have x plus 4 over 5 minus x minus 2 over 3. Okay, so again, when you add or subtract fraction, you need to get common denominator. Okay, so 3 and 5, the common denominator is 15. So get your 15 ready. Okay, so again, make sure you get your common denominator. Then you have to figure out how you're going to get from here to here. So from here to here, you need to multiply by 3. Okay, so when you multiply this by 3, 5 times 3 give you 15, right? And then you have to multiply the top by 3. So you're going to get 3x plus 12. Okay, so this is a 4. Okay, let's write it better. Now on the second fraction, to get from here to here, you need to multiply by 5. Okay, so you will get 5x minus 10. Okay, so now you have a common denominator, then you can go ahead and add or subtract. But because it's subtraction, you want to do one extra step. Okay, so you're going to get 3x plus 12 minus 5x. So minus 5x plus 10, right? Minus minus plus. So watch out for this sign. Again, this is where a lot of people make mistakes. Okay, so let's go and combine the like terms. So this would be minus 2x plus 22. And this one, you can factor out the 2, but it doesn't help you. So you don't have to do anything after that. So you can just box that. Okay, let's go to number 19. Okay, you have a minus 2, a minus 1, plus a plus 1 over a plus 2. Okay, so again, you're adding fractions, so you need to have a common denominator. Right now, they are different denominator, so you need to go ahead and get your common denominator ready. So your common denominator would be a minus 1, a plus 2. Okay, so a minus 1, a plus 2. So get your common denominator ready before you do the top. Okay, so on the top, okay, from here to here, you're missing a plus 2. Okay, so that's what you need to multiply, a plus 2. So you need to multiply. And this is a conjugate. So conjugate, you just go and multiply the corresponding part. So a times a is a squared. Negative times positive is negative. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, now let's go to the next one. So this one, again, you're missing a minus 1. So again, this is a conjugate. So when you multiply, a times a is a squared. Plus times minus is minus. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay. So you can get your common denominator. Now this is addition, so you can just go and add all these things together already. Okay, so a squared plus a squared is 2a squared. Negative 4 plus negative 1 is minus 5. Okay, and checks for factoring. This one you cannot factor anything, and so that's all you can do. Okay, next one, number 20. You have x minus y over xy squared minus y minus x over x squared y. Okay, so you can get your denominator ready. Okay, so your common denominator would be x squared y squared, x squared y squared. Okay, so you can get your common denominator ready first. Then you have to see how you're going to get from here to here. From here to here, you need to multiply by x. Okay, so you're going to end up with x squared minus xy. Okay. And the next one, from here to here, you're missing the y. So when you multiply, you're going to end up with y squared minus xy. Okay, now because of subtraction, you need to go and put everything together. So you're going to get x squared minus xy minus y squared. Now minus minus become plus xy. Okay. And so this way, so now the minus xy plus xy will cancel. So you end up with x squared minus y squared over x squared y squared. Okay. Now for number 20, okay, this is factorable, but it doesn't help you because if you factor, you get x plus y times x minus y, so it doesn't cancel, so it doesn't do any good. So you can just leave it. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 21. You have 3x over x minus 3 plus 9 over 3 minus x. Okay, so notice that this is x minus 3, this is 3 minus x. So I'm going to switch these. Okay, so I'm going to use one of this stick over here. Okay, use one of the stick to switch that, so this becomes x plus 3, not x minus 3. Sorry. Okay, so now we can go and combine we can go and perform the subtraction because now the common denominator, you have common denominator, right? So when you combine this together, you get 3x minus 9. Then after that, you have to do the factoring to check if you can cancel anything out. So you can factor out the 3, so it'd be x minus 3 over x minus 3. And so this is kind of nice because this can cancel out. So you got x equal to 3. Okay, 22. You have x squared over 9 minus x squared. Now it's a division, so I'm going to change it to multiplication and take the reciprocal. Okay, now before you can cancel anything out, remember, do not ever cancel out terms. Okay, as soon as you see addition, subtraction, you have to do factoring. So you get x squared. Now this is step 2a. So you're going to get 3 times 3 give you 9. Plus times minus give you minus. X times x give you x squared. Okay, this one you can factor out the x, so it becomes x plus 1. You can do a quick check, right? X times x give you x squared. X times 1 give you x. Okay, then you have to factor the top, so it'd be x minus 3, x plus 1. Okay, so then you can go off to the side to do the master master product. Okay, so the x plus 1 cancel out. The x cancel with the square. Okay. Now this over here, this is x minus 3, this is 3 minus x. So when they cancel, you end up with a negative 1. Okay, so when you cancel this with this, you get negative 1. If they are exactly the same, you get 1. Okay. So on the top, you get negative x. On the bottom, the addition you can switch, so it'd be x plus 3. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, you have 3 over x squared plus 5x plus 4 minus 2 over x squared plus 6x plus 8. So you can, as soon as you see addition, subtraction, you have to factor before you can get your LCD. So this would be x plus 1, x plus 4. This would be x plus 2, x plus 4. Okay. Okay, so your LCD is going to be x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 4. Okay, so you can remember when you add fraction, make sure you get your LCD ready. Okay, and then from here you have to. So this is your step 2. Step 3 is from here to here. You have to figure out what you're missing. So this one you're missing the x plus 2. Okay, so when you multiply, you're going to get 3x plus 6. Okay, for this one over here, from here to here, you're missing the x plus 1. So that's what you need to multiply. So you're going to get 2x plus 2. Okay. Okay, so get your LCD. So now, because it's a subtraction, so you want to do one extra step. So you got 3x plus 6, right? This one you have to go minus 2x, and this times that will give you minus 2. So you can watch out for this sign right over here. So 3x minus 2x will give you 1x, and the plus 6 minus 2 will give you plus 4. Okay, and you have x plus 4 and x plus 4, so you can cancel these things out. So your final answer would be 1 over, again, when you cancel everything is 1, okay, 1 over x plus 1, x plus 2. Okay, okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, 24. Okay, you have 5k squared over 3m squared over 10k over 9m. Okay, so when there's no addition, subtraction, you can use the outer over inner. So the outside would be 5k squared. Again, I'm putting parentheses just to be safe. So over 9m. So outside over the inside would be 3m squared and 10k. Okay, so now let's go and cancel things out. So 5 and 10 I can cancel, I get 1 and 2. 3 and 9 I can cancel by 3, so 1 and 3. Okay, now before I forget, I'm going to write down my numbers, so 3 over 2. Okay, so once I'm done with the number, I'm going to go down the alphabet. Okay, so k and k squared, so this cancel with that, so I get k. And then do the m, so you get m and m squared, so cancel out with that, so I get m. Okay. Okay, I kind of like to write things down as I cancel. I don't like to wait until I cancel everything then write, because sometimes it gets very messy and it's very easy to overlook something and make a careless mistake. Okay, number 25. Okay, you have x over y plus, now 3 is not a fraction, so make it into 3 over 1 as a fraction. So you get x over y minus 3 over 1. Okay, so complex fraction, you want to multiply every time by common denominator. So multiply everything by y. Okay. And then after that, you can go and cancel. So this and this cancel, so you're going to get x. And this one does not cancel, so it'll be plus 3y. On the bottom, the y cancels out, so you get x minus. This one does not cancel, it'll be 3x. And this one, you cannot do anything to it. Okay, and that's it. Okay, number 26. Okay, you have y over x minus y squared over x squared over, now 1 I can make into 1 over 1. Okay, so your common denominator is x squared, so multiply everything by x squared. Okay, so that's going to cancel things out. So x cancel with the x squared, so you end up with xy. So again, you go from complex fraction to a simple fraction. Okay, over here the x squared cancel out, so you're going to get y squared. Over here, this one does not cancel. This one, the x cancel, so you're going to get xy. Okay, after that, you need to go and do the factoring. So step 1, common factor, you factor out the y, so you get x minus y. On the bottom, you factor out the x, so you get x minus y. And so the x minus y will cancel out. So your final answer would be y over x.